Hello friends, this is Hatim Rampurawala, and in this video we will cover some few illustrations of relating to the concept India's 10. From among all, I would be discussing a few of the illustration. Else, if you want any another illustration to be discussed, you can comment it below. So we'll start. My aim is just to solve 5 illustration in this. Objective is just to solve 5. Let's see which 5 to solve. Okay. Illustration 1. What is the date of the approval for the issue of the financial statement prepared for the reporting period from 1st April 2001 to 31st March? So what is the approval date in case of company in situation where the following dates are available? So date of completion is given, date of board of approval is given, shareholder available to shareholder general meeting and regulatory. So answer is the date on which the financial statement are approved by the board of director in case of company. Okay, and then we'll see for the partnership as well. Answer: as per the Ind AS 10, the date of the approval for issue of the financial statement is the date on which the financial statement are approved by the board of director in case of the company by the corresponding approving authority in case of other entity. So in case of company it is board of director, in case of other entity is approving corresponding approving authority. Accordingly, in the instance case, the date of approval in case on which the financial statements are approved by the board of director of the company on 19th, that is 19th June, and in case of an entity is a partnership firm, the date of approval will be the date on which the relevant approving authority of such an entity approves the financial statement for the issue. That is the date when the partners of the firm approves the financial statement. Now uh, then we'll discuss illustration 4. In case of a going concern, in case a case is going on between ABC Limited and the GST department on claiming some exemption for the year 1-2. The court has issued an order on 15th April. So it was going on from in 1-2. 1-2 means financial year 1-2. The court has issued the order on 15th April 2002 and rejected the claim of the company. Accordingly, the company is liable to pay the additional tax. Okay, the financial statement of the company for the year 1-2 has been approved on 15th May 2002. What should the company account for such a tax in 1-2, or should it account for 2-3? So it will account in 1-2 because it is an existing event. So the event was existing at the end of the reporting period, that is at the end of 31st March 2002, and on 15th April the court has issued an order. So it was in what we can say, an indication that likewise that event has occurred. So and that the event was outstanding as on the balance sheet date, hence it is an existing event. It is providing an additional evidence. 15th April, the court's decision is an additional evidence to the event standing to event existing at the balance sheet date, hence it is an existing event. The event after the reporting period is an existing event, that is, if provides an evidence for the condition evidence it provides for evidence for the condition existing at the end of the reporting period. This condition is satisfied, the court orders received after the reporting period provides the evidence of the reporting of the liability existing at the end of the reporting period. Therefore the event will be considered as an existing event, and therefore accordingly the amounts will be adjusted in the financial statement for 1-2. It will be adjusted in 1-2 and not 2-3. Then we will do illustration number 6. Okay. A company has an inventory of 100 finished cars as on 31st March 2002, which were having a cost of 4 lakh rupees each on 30th April. As per the new government rule, higher road tax and the penalties are paid by the buyers for such a car, which are already expected to come, and hence the selling price of such a car has came down and the demand for such a car has dropped drastically. The selling price has came down to 3 lakh rupees. The financial statement for the company for the year 1-2 are not yet approved. So the earlier cost was 4 lakh rupees. Due to this uh, new government rule, higher road tax and penalties all penalties and all, the selling price has reduced to 3 lakh rupees. The financial statement of the company for the year ended 1/2 are not yet approved. The financial statement are not yet approved. Should the company value its stock at 4 lakh rupees or should it value at 3 lakh rupees? Of course, it should value at 3 lakh rupees because it is an additional evidence for the inventory existing at the balance sheet date. Okay, the event after the reporting period provides the evidence about the net realizable value of the car at the end of the reporting period, and therefore the amount of 3 lakh rupees should be considered as the should be considered for the valuation of the stock. See, it is an additional evidence for the NAV, for the about the net realizable value, because we value at cost and net realizable value whichever is lower. So it is an additional evidence for the net realizable value of the car at the end of the reporting period, therefore it should be valued at 3 lakh rupees. Then we'll solve illustration number, wait a second, 7. Okay, ABC Limited has purchased a new machinery on during 1/2. The assets were finally installed and made ready to use on 15th March. However, the company involved in the installation and the training, which was also the supplier, has not yet submitted the final bill for the same. So the company has not submitted the final bill. Supplier has not submitted the final bill. The supplier company sent the bill on 10th April when the financial statement were not yet approved. Should the company adjust of amount of capitalization in the year 1/2 or in the year 2/3? So it will adjust in, see, the bills were pending. It will exist in 1/2 itself and not 2/3. As per the provision of the contract, the cost of installation and the training of the new machine as an integral part of the cost of the assets purchase. Therefore, even if the details are available after the even if the details are available for that after the reporting period, that provides the proof of the circumstances that existed at the end of the reporting period. Therefore, the cost of the installation and the training will be considered as the capitalization for year 1/2. And now the last answer, as I said, we'll cover only 5 illustrations. So we would be doing illustration number 10. It is here. Okay, it is based on the concept of dividend. ABC Limited has declared the dividend on 15th July. As a result, for the year 1/2 as well as quarter ending 30th June are better than expected. The financial statement of the company are approved on 20th July for the financial year ending 31st March 2002. Will the dividend be accounted for in the financial year 2/3 or it will be accounted in for the year 1/2? It will be see, the financial statement were approved on 20th July for the year ending this much, and the dividend were declared on 15th July. See, it is not that it is declared before, but the concept of dividend, it states that in the year in which the dividend has been declared, in that year accounting will be done. It will be adjusted, so it is declared in 2/3 and not 1/2. Hence it will be what we can say, it is not an existing event, means it will not be recorded in 1/2, but it will be recorded in 2/3. The dividend is declared in the year 2/3. Therefore, the obligation towards the dividend did not exist at the end of the reporting period as on 31st March 2000. See, obligation did not exist at the end of the reporting period as on 31st March 2002. Therefore, it will be accounted for in the year 2/3 and not 1/2. Even if the financial statement for 1/2 are approved after the declaration of the dividend, it will however be disclosed in the notes. It will however be disclosed in the notes in the financial statement for the it will be disclosed in the notes in the financial statement for 1/2 in accordance with Ind AS 1. It will be disclosed in 1/2, but it will not be adjusted. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. We are ending this video here. If you need some other illustration to be explained, you can comment it below. Thank you for watching the video.